Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up a moving average crossover alert in TradingView. If you've ever wanted to get notified the moment a key price crossover happens, so you never miss out on a trading opportunity, then this video is absolutely for you. By the end, you'll feel confident creating these alerts on your own, and you'll be able to respond quickly to changes in the market. Let's get started right away. So first, you'll want to head over to TradingView. If you don't already have it open, just punch TradingView into your browser and log in. Now, once you're on the main platform, glance towards the top of the page for the Products tab. It might seem obvious, but clicking here is how you make sure you're using the interactive charting tools. That's where all the magic happens. Now, with the chart grid open in front of you, find an empty spot in the grid itself, anywhere that's not covered by drawing tools or indicators. This area is really your workspace, by the way, so it helps to keep it clear and organized. Right-click anywhere in this grid view and you'll notice a context menu pop up. This menu is a bit like your control panel. It's where you can quickly access the powerful tools TradingView offers. From that menu, look for the option that simply says Add Alert. Go ahead and click on that. This next part might feel intimidating the first time, but don't worry, TradingView is pretty visual about it. What pops up is the alert creation window, and this is where you really get to customize what triggers your alert. Now, pay close attention to the condition field. This tells TradingView exactly what you want to be notified about. For a moving average crossover, you'll usually be looking for something like price and crossing. Think of it as saying, hey TradingView, let me know when the action really happens, when these lines intersect. If you want, you can even get more specific and choose other indicators in this condition field, like an EMA or SMA. But for most people, starting with price crossing is a great way to get the hang of things. Next, it's time to decide on your alert trigger. This basically defines how strict or flexible you want that notification to be. For example, do you want an alert every single time the price crosses your selected moving average or just the first time? There's flexibility here, so don't worry about playing around and finding the trigger that suits your trading style. Don't forget to set an expiration date for your alert. Maybe you only care about this crossover happening in the next week, or maybe you want to keep it running for a month. Setting an end date helps you manage multiple alerts as your strategies evolve. Now, here's a handy little extra. You can add a custom message to your alert. This is super useful if you run a bunch of alerts at once. By default, it'll show something like gold crossing 409.48. Helpful, but you can tailor this to say anything that makes sense to you. Maybe a motivational quote or just more specific info about your strategy. Under the notification settings, you also have options to add sounds, and you can control exactly how often the alert will trigger. If you hate missing a big move, set it so it repeats until you've seen it. If you want to avoid getting flooded with notifications, just choose the single trigger option, and that's it. Once you're happy with all these settings, just hit Create. Your alert is now live and ready to keep you up to speed. If you followed along, you've just leveled up your TradingView skills. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any questions or want to share your own alert setups. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear step-by-step trading guides just like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.